Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see your login history on your Google account without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about Google account security. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here. Click on this profile icon and this is going to pop up, and the next thing you want to do is to simply go to manage your Google account, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to security. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to see details. Then right here from the top right here you have your device, then where you are signing in. Simply click on that. Then you have all your sign-in activities on your Google account. So you can scroll down and see more. If you take note of any unrecognized activities right here, what you need to do is to simply click on the unrecognized activities and log them out. For instance, if this particular Microsoft Edge is not recognized, simply click on it and it's going to load up like so. Then and you can see the detail right here, January 3rd. So if you are not the one that performed these activities on your Google account, it simply means that you have been hacked or someone have access to your Google account. What you need to do is to simply click on sign out right here, and the account will be totally removed from your Google account and they will not have access to your account. And lastly, make sure you always change your Google account password and make sure you turn on your two-step verification on your Google account. With that, you are safe and secure on your Google account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.